Hello everyone, welcome back to our programming series. Today, we're going to solve SkillRack daily challenge. That is, modifying a string by repeating its x character x times in the C programming language. The code begins by including the necessary header files and declaring variables. We use scamp to input the string s and the integer x. Next, a loop traverses through each character of the string. When the loop encounters the x character, at index n1, it enters another loop to print that character x times. For other characters, it prints them as is. This algorithm ensures the x character in the string is replaced by itself repeated x times. This sums up the functionality of the code. Feel free to experiment with different inputs and test cases. I hope you found this explanation helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more programming challenges and solutions. Thanks for watching.